welcome back to Snigi's Creativity. So as we all know, festive season is going on and we are busy in cleaning our houses and we end up finding a lot of waste things. So today I am going to be using waste CDs and using it as a piece of decoration for home. So let's begin.
For the first CD, use a paper cutter and make a cut on the CD. Now remove the layer. It will look like this after removing. Now draw anything you like with the help of a gel pen of any color. Don't forget to draw it on the smoother surface. Now you are all set to paint. Here I am mixing blue with pink. All the materials that I used in the video are in the description down below. For the whole video I have used acrylic paints. I have used 3 colors on the CD. After painting it look like this. This is the final look. For the second CD I am painting a donut. This is a simple one. For the third one, I have painted a scenery and this is how it looked. I think all 3 turned out pretty good, and if you ask me my favorite one, I think butterfly one is my favorite.
Hope you enjoyed the videos and more creative videos are coming very soon. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.